Product demonstrations are a popular and effective way for businesses to showcase their products to potential customers. Whether in person at a trade show or through online video, product demonstrations allow businesses to demonstrate the features and benefits of their products in a hands-on way, helping to convince potential customers to make a purchase. Video is an especially powerful tool for product demonstrations, as it allows businesses to showcase their products in a more engaging and visual way. With video, businesses can show, rather than just tell, their customers how their products work and why they're worth buying. When creating a product demo video, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Focus on the benefits. The goal of a product demo video is to convince potential customers to buy your product, so be sure to focus on the benefits of your product and how it can solve their problems or meet their needs. Use clear, concise language. It's important to use clear, concise language in your product demo video to ensure that your message is easy to understand. Avoid using industry jargon or technical terms that your audience may not be familiar with. Show, don't tell. Rather than simply telling your audience about your product, use video to show them. Use demonstrations, animations, or other visual aids to help illustrate your points and make your product more appealing to your audience. Keep it short and sweet. Most people have short attention spans when it comes to online video, so be sure to keep your product demo video concise and to the point. Aim for a video that's no longer than 2-3 minutes, and get straight to the point of what your product does and why it's worth buying. Include a call to action. At the end of your product demo video, be sure to include a clear call to action that tells your audience what to do next. This could be a link to your website where they can learn more about your product and make a purchase, or a phone number they can call to get more information. There are many different types of product demo videos that businesses can create, depending on their goals and target audience. Some options might include how-to videos. How-to videos are instructional videos that show your audience how to use your product. They're a great way to educate your audience and demonstrate the value of your product. Product demonstrations. Product demonstrations are videos that show your audience how your product works or how it can be used. They're a great way to showcase the features and benefits of your product and convince your audience to buy it. Customer testimonials. Customer testimonials are videos in which real customers share their experiences with your product. They're a powerful way to build credibility and demonstrate the value of your product to potential customers. Product comparisons. Product comparison videos are videos that compare your product to a competitor's product. They're a great way to demonstrate the unique value of your product and convince your audience to choose it over the competition. By creating an effective product demo video, businesses can effectively showcase their products to potential customers and convince them to make a purchase. Whether you're using video to demonstrate how your product works, showcase customer testimonials, or compare your product to the competition, video is a powerful tool for driving sales and building your business.